Hey guys, and welcome back to a Frenchy's road trip video. A warm welcome to our new subscribers. We hope you're enjoying these videos. Today's video though is not a technical video, instead it's a road trip. Some good news, we're back in Ben's car. He's had the cam belt done and we're back out on the road, and a nice little trip out today to the Brecon Beacons, where we'll be going to the Black Mountain Pass. A good friend of ours come along today. He's bought his Lexus GS450H Premier Edition. It's a 3.5 litre V6 Petrol Hybrid, so hopefully I'll be able to show you guys around that a bit later on. Yeah, so hopefully be a good day. We've had a bit of a shower as we're sort of venturing out. We've had breakfast, which has been very, very lovely down at the Silver Fox, and yeah, we hopefully should have a great day out. We will see you on the road. Yep, we are stuck in a traffic jam by sheep. There's absolutely loads of them. Oh. Right, we've joined in James's car in the Lexus. I'm watching this onboard display, which looks like it's telling us. So we've got battery and engine, because it's a what's it?
Hybrid.
A hybrid.
Hybrid, yeah.
So it looks like it's telling us power is coming from the engine and it's charging the battery, and it's putting power to the wheels as well. We've just been watching it coming down the hill back there. Oh, there we go. So it's putting energy back into the battery from the wheels. Very interesting, this car. And the interior is one of a better word, luxurious. So me as a passenger on this side, I've got three memory seat modes on here. Electric windows.
Yeah, it's 18 way, so everything on the seat's adjustable from lumbar. You can extend and retract the knees. They're heated, they're cooled. So I've got air blowing through mine at the moment.
Oh yeah, so this is where you control the settings for the seats then in there. Got your that's the climate control on there, isn't it? Yeah.
Freeway climate control. So driver, passenger have their own. The rear has its own settings for the climate as well.
I mean, the interior of this is stunning. Really lovely interior. It's like a nutmeg wooded dash on there.
It's pine, I think it is.
Pine dash.
Pine, yeah.
Yeah, it's very, very nice. Got all the onboard display up there. Has it got sat nav?
It's got sat nav. Yeah, it's got sat nav and everything.
I just noticed on the steering wheel there you've got electric steering wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's a very nice car. Rear blinds as well for the passengers.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. It's a 3.5 V6 Petrol Hybrid.
Different modes. You've got
we've got Sport Plus mode.
That stiffens up the steering, stiffens the suspension.
Yeah.
And then makes the throttle much more livelier. It's a CVT, but it does allow me to, if I want to change gears, it's a little electronically done. So all it does, it just makes it changes the engine throttle position.
Yeah. Following Ben up front there, onto the Black Mountain Pass and the Brecons, and the sun is coming out. It's very nice.
Yeah, rain stopped.
Yeah, it has actually. It
tried to rain, didn't it?
It did try to rain, and I was sort of thinking, oh no, I should have brought a coat. It looks like to be, it's quite nice.
Yeah, it's a shame about the wind though. I don't know if it's quite going to be a drone flying.
No, I'm worried about the drone. The drone's going to fly away, I think, if I get that out. We could try it, I suppose.
So I think a nice orbital shot would be nice, but I don't know if we'll be able to get it. We're nearly there.
I think, yeah, we are, because this road was closed, wasn't it, for the women's...
was this the cycling?
Sort of the cycling one, I think.
Cycling,
yeah, so does it say on there? It's got 2 miles, I think, to the Mountain Road car park. So yeah, this is part of this road. So
yeah, we're on it.
Yeah, we are. So it's absolutely stunning. We've got Ben up in the Freelander up front. He's leading the mini convoy, mini convoy of 2. Absolutely stunning. I mean, we might get away with the drone in these bits because of the wind is...
The problem is the wind going through.
Going up through the valleys, isn't it?
Ourselves now, look.
Wow.
I don't know about you, but my ears kept going funny on some of those hills.
Oh yeah, they kept popping.
Yeah.
Oh,
you didn't like going in there.
Look at this.
That's what I had all the way down on channel 21.
Oh no.
Yeah, so I thought, alright guys, this is
squelching
for the entire way.
Yeah. Wow. V6 grumble there.
Yeah.
Or roar. Is it a roar, would we say it is? A V6 roar. It's a bit mightier than the Freelander 2.2 litre diesel, isn't it?
Yeah, you probably aren't going to use quite as much fuel as me.
Yeah. How much fuel have we got in here? So
I've used a quarter of a tank, just over a quarter of a tank getting here, and this got a 66 litre tank.
That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's pretty good.
I mean, this can get...
car coming down now.
What's that?
Oh.
2 of them.
Oh, yeah,
look at that. Two old cars.
That'll just make a good hill climb run, you know, like the races,
it would.
like the hill climb races.
Sheep there. There was loads of them, weren't there, back there? That farmer, I think he was getting a bit stressed, I think, that farmer.
I couldn't believe it. Yeah, well, when you pulled forwards, they filled the gap between me and your car. I was like, oh, I'm stuck there. Yeah, they kind of filled in that gap. Oh, look at that.
That is absolutely stunning.
Wow.
So on this Black Mountain Pass stretch, going up to the car park on the top. Let's see how busy it is. Stop off for some lunch. And then hopefully get some shots down.
Less than a mile to go.
Less than a mile, yeah, 2 minutes. Only just round the corner.
So I'm guessing the car park's sort of like at the top halfway point.
Yeah. These seats are so comfy.
They are.
They are very comfy. So what have you fitted to this to make it so grumbly?
All it's got, which I imported from America, is an induction kit.
Oh, an induction kit.
Air filters and piping, basically.
Ah, so that's what gives it that rumble.
But yeah, I had it imported from. It's actually for a 350, not a 450, but it's the same engine.
Absolutely stunning view. I'm so glad the weather's sort of, you know, turned out like this.
We went to, this is going back a few years, but I went to Cornwall, and that's to Land's End.
Yeah.
Which is, you know, Cornwall's equivalent. It's one of their nicest scenic roads, and we had thick fog and didn't see any of it.
Oh, I know. I think we've come out here in the Brecons, I think, once before, and the weather was really bad. Oh, is this our...
No,
oh, no, a bit further on.
So there's quite a few, so I mean, there's a few car parks, so we can have some fun.
Must be where it was a tour. Oh, here we go. Wow, that's instant power, isn't it, on there?
That's because of the CVT.
Instant power.
A lot of people don't like the CVT gearboxes. Like, I can get wide to a degree, but at the same time, it's just instant.
Here we are. So this is us. In we go. Time for some lunch. let the dogs out, and we shall see you shortly, hopefully, for some drone shots, depending on the wind.
Yeah.
But, we'll have to see how that one plays out, and fingers crossed the sun stays out for us. So we will catch you in a bit. Wow, what a trip. A really good road trip today to the Brecon Beacons with a good friend of ours, James, in his Lexus, in his V6 3.5 petrol hybrid machine. I had the great pleasure of being passenger in it and getting to experience the power of that car. Is fantastic. A great day, great road trip out to the Brecon Beacons, out to a road called the Black Mountain Pass. If you haven't been, you've got to go. It's really, really good. The views, the sights are fantastic. The weather was a bit hit and miss as we were on our way up there. It started to rain, the drizzle started coming in, but then the sun came out and it was really, really lovely. We were battling with the winds, so we've got a few clips of some drone footage that we took. But because of the winds were so strong, we couldn't lift the drone up in the air. It was too dangerous. But we hope on another video we'll be able to get the drone up a bit more. So yeah, we hope you enjoy the video. As I say, if you haven't been, pop along, go and see the Black Mountain Pass if you've got a weekend free or fancy it on a day trip. It's a fantastic piece of road. Lots of pull-ins where you can pull in, have some lunch. We took the dogs out. We went and visited some 18th century kilns. It's just a fantastic place, and is worth a visit by all means. So yeah, if you like this video, give us a like, drop us a comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video, where we hopefully will be out and about, more drone footage, more car footage, and yeah, more exploring. See you again very soon. Cheerio.